Hello, P3 students. This week we are going to learn Book 3B, Chapter 4, My Diary. Are you ready? Let's start. There are three objectives. Number 1. To use the simple past tense to talk about past activities or events. Number 2. To use what to find out specific information about a person. Number 3. To use the simple past tense to talk about past states. Let's learn about the vocabulary on your book, page 41. Actions. Number 1. Listen to CDs. Listen to CDs. Or you can say, listen to music. Listen to music. Number 3. Watch TV. Watch TV. TV means television. Television. Or you can say, number 4. Watch cartoons. Watch cartoons. Number 5. Play computer games. Play computer games. Number 6. Paint pictures. Paint pictures. Number 7. Chat with friends. Chat with friends. Number 8. Study for the exam. Because of the word exam, the first letter is E. This is a vowel sound. So we say the exam. The exam. Number 8. Study for the exam. Or you can say, number 9. Study for the test. Study for the test. Let's read the vocabulary once again. Number 1. Listen to CDs. Number 2. Listen to music. Number 3. Watch TV. TV means television. Number 4. Watch cartoons. Number 5. Play computer games. Number 6. Paint pictures. Number 7. Chat with friends. Number 8. Study for the exam. Number 9. Study for the test. Simple past tense. Regular verbs. The boy asked, "What did you do yesterday?" The girl thought about it. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. So the girl answers, "I painted a picture. I painted a picture." Remember, this is past tense. So paint, we change to past tense. We add ed, painted. Let's look at another example. The girl asks, "What did you do last night?" The boy thought about it. And he answers, "I studied for the English test." Huh? Study? Do we need to change it to past tense? Yes. So we need to change to I studied for the English test. Remember, we add ed, and also the y we change to IED. I studied for the English test. The boy asked, "What did you do at the weekend?" At the weekend means by last Saturday, so the girl thought about it and she answers, "I checked with my friends." Really? We need to use past tense, so I checked it with my friends. I checked it with my friends. Remember, double T with ed. We use the simple past tense to talk about actions in the past. Example, I painted a picture yesterday. I studied for the English test last night. I checked it with my friends at the weekend. We usually add ed to the action verbs, like listen, listened, look, looked, paint, painted, play, played. There are two things we need to pay attention. This one, we double the last letter when the action words are one syllable and end in one vowel plus one consonant. Vowel, that means A-E-I-O-U. So, checked, one syllable, and the vowel is A, and there's one consonant, T, so we change to checked, double letter T, the last letter, ed, and also clap, clapped, skip, skipped. And also we change the letter Y into IED when the action verbs end in one consonant plus Y. Example, dry, dried, tidy, tidied, study, studied. Let's read the verb table together. Number 1, listen, listened. Number 2, look, looked. Number 3, paint, painted. Number 4, play, played. Number 5, checked, checked. Number 6, clap, clapped. Number 7, skip, skipped. Number 8, dry, dried. Number 9, tidy, tidied. Number 10, study, studied. Please pay attention. Paint, we have painted, no double T here. And also play, we have played, no IED. Remember this one. Let's have a quick revision. What did you do yesterday? What did you do last night? Last night means yesterday night. What did you do at the weekend? At the weekend means last weekend. When you see all these words, we use simple past tense. In the question, what did you do yesterday? We have already used simple past tense and we change the verb D we have already changed it from do to did. So remember, don't change the action words in did questions because we have already changed the first one, did. So don't change the second one, do. Remember this one. And also, when you answer the question, we will say, I played games with my parents. I played. We use simple past tense. We have already learned some simple past tense. Let's have some practice. Put the words in the correct order to make a question. Do, did, what, he, yesterday.